Welcome to this introductory session on GeoPack. To put simply, GeoPack lets you create, add and share custom tools for BagaPie. GeoPack is a BagaPie's feature. You can add tools either by installing a GeoPack file, which we will do in this introduction, or by creating your own tools with GeoPack. You can think of it as creating a mini add-on based on Geometry Node but without any coding. Some have asked me, and yes, everything you create with BagaPie GeoPack is yours. BagaPie is free and open source, meaning you can export, share or even resell packs, and anyone can install it to use your tools. To begin, we will look at how to install a GeoPack file and utilize its tools. For this purpose, I encourage you to download the demo file. You can find it on Superhive, which was known as Blender Market and Gumroad. In my case, I'll use the Superhive version. It comes with the free version of BagaPie, of course. After getting this free version, you will find a GeoPack file named demopack.geopack. This is a .geopack file format. Please download it. Please note that while BagaPie, the add-on, can be found on Superhive and Gumroad, I suggest that you go through the BagaPie extension available at blenderextensions.org. To install a pack, access the add-on preferences in BagaPie, GeoPack. If you've just installed BagaPie, you'll need to choose where to store the GeoPack files on your computer. Set GeoPack location. Set location. If, like me, GeoPack files were already present, they will be detected and displayed. For example, the GeoPack Bagagrove Garden is shown here. When I open it, I discover the details of this pack. It displays its modifiers, meaning the tools it includes. Each modifier has an icon, information, and importantly, instructions on how to use it. In this instance, it indicates that the selected objects will be used by the modifier. A mesh needs to be selected, a curve will be created, and it will automatically switch to draw mode. Finally, the Assets tab can include a whole library of assets. When you install the GeoPack file, BagaPie will automatically create a library with its assets. So we will install the pack we just downloaded. Select Install Pack. Choose the GeoPack file, import GeoPack. The installation of the GeoPack is complete and you can now explore the different tools available. Now, let's take a look to the 3D view. To open the GeoPack Pie menu, press V. This will show us all the packs that have been installed. In our case, we just installed the demo pack, which is here. It opens a second drop-down menu with the pack's tools. Some options are disabled, meaning the selection doesn't meet the tool's requirements. Let's try Edge to Beam Wire. If the pack creator configured node to panel, we can see the properties of the modifier here. Here's another example. V, GeoPack, Demo Pack, Manual Scatter. There are countless tool options available. If you use a pack, make sure to look at the modifier details to understand how it works. If you now wish to create your own pack to group your own tools, I invite you to check out the tutorial dedicated to creating GeoPack.
Thanks for your time. If you have a few minutes, check out our other add-ons and assets. I hope BagaPie helps you. Thanks.